Okay, in this trigonometry lesson, we're going to look at finding the length of a side. So let's look at this question. If I've got a right angle triangle, we know that this side here is 33 degrees. We have a length here of 7 centimeters, and we want to find out this side here, x. So the first thing we need to do is work out what ratio we need. We know we have an angle. We have this side, which is between the angle and the right angle, and this is our adjacent side. So the side opposite the angle that we're looking at is our perinumeral. So we've got an adjacent side and we're looking for an opposite side. So the ratio tan theta is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So that's the ratio that we're going to use. So let's substitute in our knowns. So tan, now we're looking at the angle 33 degrees, equals our opposite side, which is x, over our adjacent side, which is 7. We need to find x, so we need to get x as our on one side of the equation. So in order to do that, we multiply both sides of the equation by 7. So now we have 7 times tan 33 equals x. And to find x on our calculator, we put in 7 and then we times tan, and then we put in our angle 33 degrees, and then we hit our equals button and we find our answer. I'm not going to find the answer. I will leave that to you. Now here in our second example, I've got another triangle, and in this case, again, it's a right angle triangle. We've got the angle 45 degrees. We know this side here is 10 centimeters, and we're looking for this side here, which is, as we know, as it's opposite our right angle, this is our hypotenuse. We've got the side that's next to the right angle, so that's our adjacent side. So we need to firstly work out what ratio we're going to use. So we've got the adjacent and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So we use the ratio cos or cosine, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, we substitute in the numbers that we know. So cos 45 degrees equals the adjacent side, which is 10, divided by the hypotenuse, which is our unknown x. We rearrange this formula so that we get the x on its own. We multiply both sides by x. So we get x times cos 45 equals 10. We still got the x with the cos 45, so we divide both sides by cos 45. So x is equal to 10 divided by cos 45. So on your calculator, to find what x is, you put in 10 divided by, so 10 is our number, divided by cos, which is our ratio, 45 degrees equals, so that's what we put in our calculator. And when you put those into your calculator, you'll find out what x is.